How to remove games from cart in EA application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you've recently added some games to the cart by mistake and you'd like to fix that, first of all launch open your EA application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your cart icon and you'll see all of the games that you've added to the list. In order to delete the game or to empty your cart list, go ahead and select the game you want to delete and click on the cross icon right next to the game. Once you do that, you'll be able to delete the selected game. Repeat this step for every other games you'd like to delete and you are done. So that is how you can easily delete your games from your cart on EA application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.